What's up, everyone? Just getting off work. Just gonna do a little video walk around of my E90 M3. Do a little couple driving clips on the way home, and then give you guys a little talk around and you know, just see what you guys think. Thanks. All right, everyone, here's a little walk around of the 2011 BMW M3 that I just bought just a couple months ago. Sorry, the car is super dirty. Living here in Utah, it's hard to battle the storms a little bit, but yeah, this is a 2011 Jerez Black E90 M3. This is a competition package with a DCT dual clutch transmission, double hump, so with navigation. It does not have the factory comp wheels. Someone would switch those out. I'd love to find a set. But overall, it's been a great car. It's got the black interior. Overall, really pretty clean, which is great. Let's see here. Give you a little walk around with the competition package. You get this different little kind of carbon fiber-like trimming. Driver's seat's in really pretty good condition. A little shiny, needs a little cleanup there, but other than that, looks good. Kind of moving into the back here. Yes, I do daily drive it. Got my kid seat in there, which is, you know, that's the point of an E90 M3, which is awesome. Moving around to the back, not much going on up here. Just pretty clean and simple and not much. It is on BC Racing coilovers, which I am having a little weird clunking in the issue I got to resolve. But other than that, it's been good. We'll pop the hood here. It's got new tires, which is always an added plus. It's got actually spun a rod bearing a couple years ago, and so it actually has a lower mileage motor in it, which is really nice. It's got like 120 on the body and about 60,000 on the motor itself. The front bumper is obviously severely chipped, so that needs to get repainted or get a Euro 1 without the side indicators. But overall, I ended up picking this thing up in Phoenix. It's a sunroof car, and it's been a good little car. I'll give it a little startup and you can check it out. just a couple of rips and flybys, but as you can tell, it sounds really good. You obviously can't beat the sound of this motor, which I think is the reason why you really buy this car. It's not the fastest, but you know, still plenty enough fast. Fastest car I've owned. I'm used to E30s and other stuff like that isn't as fast, so one thing I do love about this car is it is fun having the DCT, being able to shift it and you know, kind of have that manual experience and be able to kind of configure it to the what I like. But on the flip side, I really do enjoy being able to just put it in regular drive and let it just be a regular day-to-day car. You know, the E90 is such a good, great day-to-day car outside of the cool things that make it an M car. So it's really been nice just being able to set the cruise control, you know, averaging high teens, low 20s for gas mileage. And, you know, overall it's just been a great commuter car, as they say. So that's one of my favorite things about it. And, you know, plenty of times loaded up my friends and family and, you know, driven to wherever I need to, you know, to opposing cities and other things like that. So been a great car so far. Anyways, I know that was a pretty quick little walkthrough. I appreciate you taking the time to watch, and if you have any other questions or anything specific about it, feel free to follow me. Thanks so much.